Hi everyone, this is Cindy with Creating the Heart, and today I'm back with another project in my back to school series. So basically, it's just a series where I am utilizing products from my school stash as well as school-oriented products to kind of make projects for the month of September. Just kind of celebrating back to school and just thinking about getting ahead of all the school kind of things that I like to make or we like to do to document, give gifts to our teachers, and that sort of thing. But any of these ideas can be used for any kind of theme. So I consider both of these projects to be scrap busters. So sometimes you have things left over, you don't know what to do with them, and you want to make something. You don't want to just toss materials away or store them. So I've got this one. This was inspired by the cut apart in the Real Genius Photo Paper Play paper kit, which I've been using. And I saved this particular one that says reading goals. And then all I did was use index cards. And I used my Bind It All. And all I did was use this cut apart as well as some index cards. And then this last card right here. And it just makes a cute little book where you can keep track of all the books that you've read or your child has read for the year. Maybe they're doing reading counts, or I forget what the other one is, but my kids do reading counts. And that's what my school district has as well. But there's other reading programs where you have to read and take quizzes and you get points. And they have reading goals. Like my daughter's goal is to get 90 points a trimester or something like that. So this is a good way of keeping track of that. Super inexpensive. You could just use, book rings or ribbon. You don't have to, bind it like this, but this is really cute because it can just fit in their little binders or in their backpacks and keep track of their books. Draw pictures in it, whatever. So there's that one. The other one is a tag book, and this is really, kind of the way, my go-to way of kind of finishing off a paper kit. So this is finishing off the Real Genius paper kit, as well as I use a couple of little tiny pieces of, what is this called? This is Echo Park's new paper line called Back to School. It's by Lori Whitlock. It's got some bright colors in it. And all I did was just use a couple of the cut aparts in there. So I just used some stickers. And this was a cut apart from the Real Genius. Or no, this is from Echo Park. It says school days are here again. And then I just did some pom-pom trim right here on the bottom. And then I did put a few pictures in there that I've got so far. So when you flip to this side, it says first day, and so it's my daughter and my niece, and it just says first day. They do go to the same school, and my sister took them to school, so she sent me that picture. And then I have not had Lily fill this out, but she could fill this out, how she writes her name and her grade and her best friend, which I can tell you who her best friend is. This is her best friend right here. This is Ava. So it just says bestie. And, those stickers that come in those sticker sheets do not stick well at all. So what I did was I hauled these frames. I had gotten these from Tuesday Morning. I was going to make pom-pom frames with them, which I still will because I bought quite a few of them. All I did was use one of those. I just covered it with some designer paper. And then I just put the stickers from the sticker sheet. And then I just cut down my picture and put it in there. So it just says bestie. That's really cute. And then some of these I have not filled out yet, but this just has the date. It says 2018-19. And then this one says 5th back there for 5th grade. And then this is Field Trip Starbase Academy. She already did a 5-day field trip, STEM field trip. So, and no, I do not go to private school. My kids go to public school. It's just a really good public school. And then just some pictures of her classmates at their field trip. And then I put some pom-pom trim on this locker paper. And this one says, I love books. And then on the other side of the I love books, the teacher had them reading by candlelight. So I just cut that down and just journaled a little bit there. And then it just flips. I don't have any more pictures. And I just used all the different cut aparts I had left. Any stickers, little bits of cut apart from Echo Park. And so it's just ready for pictures now. Hello, my name is. And then this last one right here, this is a pocket. So I can slip a picture in there, or a flyer, or anything else that I wanted to put in there. And then I've got a cute little tag book because the teacher sends pictures through an app that they use, which I can't download pictures from that. So I just screenshot them and print them out. And then I can just put them in a little book. And then she has just a little document of her 5th grade year. So these are my projects, school projects for the day. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy with Crane with a Heart.